In today's video, we'll be introducing Google Cloud's Policy Analyzer service. Ever doubted the least privileged setup of your groups and users? Or perhaps questioned the true security of things like service accounts, organization policies, or firewall rules? Policy Analyzer can give you much needed peace of mind. When using a Policy Analyzer query, we need to specify a query scope. For example, we can analyze roles at the organizational level or focus in on specific projects or groups. Let's set some query parameters. For instance, can we impersonate a service account? Who has permissions to sign blobs? Up next, we can further refine the results by setting advanced options. Once we let the query run, our results will appear neatly arranged in a table below. Another fascinating use of Policy Analyzer is analyzing organization policies. For example, we can check for publicly accessible buckets. Note that you'll never need organization-level permissions for some of these queries. Lastly, we can delve into recent activity analysis. Ever curious about the last time a certain service account was used? We'll create a new service account in the IAM page for the sake of demonstration. Once we're back in the Policy Analyzer, let's set the activity analysis into motion. It seems we need to activate another API. Once we've unlocked that, we can certainly run our query. Since we haven't used the service account yet, we draw a blank in the results section. Quite often, you'll be crafting a custom query. That involves selecting your desired scope and then conducting a resource, principal, role, or permission-based query. We hope that this has been an enlightening introduction. A big thank you for tuning in, and please enjoy responsibly.